What is the greatest common factor of these monomials? All right, so let's get started with the coefficient here, 6. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. The factors of x to the third are 1, x, x squared, and x to the third. The factors of y to the fourth are 1, y, y squared, y to the third, and y to the fourth. And finally, we have z to the fifth. I hope we don't run out of room here. 1z, z squared, z to the third, z to the fourth, and finally z to the fifth. And then we move on to the next one, 12. So I'm going to go this way. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, and 12. All right, for x squared, we have 1x and x squared. For y to the third, we have 1y, y squared, and y to the third. And finally, for z, we have 1 and z. All right, for the final monomial, we list first the factors of 15, which are 1, 3, 5, and 15. Factors for x to the fourth, 1x, 1x, x squared, x to the third, and x to the fourth. Then y to the second power, 1y and y squared. And finally, z to the third, which is 1z, z squared, and z to the third. All right, so let's go figure out what our greatest common factor is. Here we can see that it is not 15, not 12, it's not 6, 3. 3 is our greatest common factor amongst these three sets. In the x's, we have x squared is our greatest common factor. X squared and x squared. For the y's, we have y to the second as our greatest common factor. And for z's, we have z, because this is the highest number in this set is z, so z. When we write that all together, we get 3x squared, y squared, z. 3x squared, y squared, z. The answer is C.